Welcome to Colonel Saab, a breathtaking Indian restaurant in the heart of London, located at Holborn and Trafalgar Square. Designed by Tushar Joshi, principal designer at Utkarsh Vastukaran Design Studio, this space is a graceful blend of Indian tradition and modern elegance. Every detail has been thoughtfully planned to tell a story, one that begins in India and finds its home in London. Colonel Saab is not just about food, it's about memories, moments, and meaning. The vision was to create a space where culture and comfort come together, where each meal feels like a celebration of India's soul. The design is inspired by the travels of Colonel Manveer Chaudhary and Mrs. Binni Chaudhary, the parents of the restaurant's founder, Roop Pratap Chaudhary. From their journeys across India, they collected experiences, art, and memories, each of which now plays a part in the interiors of Colonel Saab. As you enter, you are welcomed by soft golden lighting, the mellow sounds of vintage jazz, and carefully curated artwork that reflects the depth and diversity of India's heritage. From wall to wall, you'll find rich Kheem Khwab handwoven fabrics, intricate Zardozi embroidery, and custom-designed brass and glass lighting. These elements create a space that feels both luxurious and personal. A highlight of the design is a magnificent 18th century carved teak wood door, inlaid with white metal, sourced from the Gujarat-Rajasthan border. It's more than a feature, it's a doorway into history, craftsmanship, and storytelling. Crystal chandeliers drape the ceilings, casting a warm glow that enhances the regal atmosphere. From the grand entrance to the grab-and-go counter, every inch is designed to feel elegant, inviting, and unforgettable. Colonel Saab is where nostalgia meets luxury. It's a space where the past and present sit side by side, where every object has a story, and every corner brings you closer to India. This immersive design journey has been brought to life with creativity and precision by Tushar Praveen Joshi, principal designer at Utkarsh Vastukaran Design Studio, a firm known for transforming cultural narratives into refined, global experiences. Thank you for experiencing Colonel Saab. For more timeless design stories, follow at interiorslver.in. Keep celebrating style and culture.